Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and here is 100 plus fruit photo stock. You can change background in Photoshop, basically with white background. Look like a PNG but not PNG. These are JPG. You can convert in Photoshop, but these are protected. All password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now. Here is Facebook page, and at last is my Telegram channel. Subscribe this for notification of any videos. Okay, so you see, I know you can change background very easy. Go to Google, Photoshop, unlock layer, click magic tool, click here on white area, press just backspace, and now you can move anywhere, outside anywhere. You can remove these part. Okay, now you can make more better. Okay, now I hope these are useful for you. Join me and download this app for password. Here is my Facebook page. Take care. Allah Hafiz.